How do you cook this delicious, this is a gift from my future self, this delicious roast chicken, which we have cooked in the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. It looks amazing, and I'm hoping that it's really easy to do because I haven't done this before. The first thing we'll need is an air fryer. We've got the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. We're gonna put the chicken into the basket. It just about fits. So this chicken is 4.2 pounds or 1.9 kilograms. Oh, it just about fits in. That is really snug. I'm gonna cut lemon in half. I'm gonna rub this on the chicken. And now this is gonna go into the chicken, so in as well the other half. And then I've got some cloves of garlic here. We're gonna cut one clove and we're gonna bung that in the chicken. Oh, do you know what? I've cut my finger and the lemon and the garlic is absolutely, it's not helping my hand. Right. Next, I'm going to add some butter to the skin. So I've got a spoon. I'm splashing the camera. Okay. Show me the chicken. I'm gonna cut into the skin like that, and I'm gonna put the garlic into there. And I'll put this on the other side. And then this is the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. Ninja say you don't need to preheat it. And then we are gonna put this on for 340 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 170 Celsius. We'll check how it's doing after 1 hour 10. And then I just hit the big bad on-off button. It's finished. And look at that. Let's cut into this now. That looks really well cooked. Oh man, look at that. It's gonna taste like chicken, right? It's really nice. Incredibly, I've had this global carving knife for, I think, 25 years. So that's 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 hour, 10 minutes on roast for this 4.2 pound chicken, or that's 1.9 kilograms. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. Some chicken on the lens there.